Good morning. I just wanted to share with you a little fun Palm Sunday crafty thing, especially if you just go to church with small children. This is something fun to do. Actually, my Episcopalian grandmother taught me this, and it is how to make a cross out of your palm. This one I made back when I was in high school, and that was, so many years ago. But it dries and it's really fun. I don't have any palms handy. I have this leaf off of my living room plant that was kind enough to volunteer. So obviously it's a lot smaller than a traditional palm, but you get the gist. So let's see if I can do this. And so you want to take somewhere between a third and a fourth of your palm, and you're gonna fold it over. You don't want to bend it. It will bend on its own eventually. And then you're just gonna, and then we're gonna make an arm and bend back. Whoops. And of course it's a live plant and it's not an exact science, and obviously, especially if you're doing this with small children, it might entertain them for the entirety of Mass, depending on how long your priest's homily is. So hopefully it's quick and to the point. Then you're just gonna fold back. What are we gonna do? Oh, it's been so long since I've done this. So put your tail through, and then you're gonna have a basic shape. And then with your little spiky pointy end, you want to use a thumbnail to cut that in half. Can you see what I've done there? Use your imagination. It's kind of a small plant, a small stand-in palm in a pinch. And so then you're going to take your tails and you're going to kind of wrap them around like you would with a rope. And if my tails were long enough, are we getting the gist? Do we see what's going on? Anyway, if the tails were long enough, on a bigger palm leaf, you would have more to work with. And then you can just tie it up, and there you go. I got kind of naughty, and I'd like to drop them in the offering plates. If I had it done in time for the offering, or leave it in the hymnal for someone to find. We would always go Saturday evening, so hopefully someone would find it on Sunday, and it would be a nice surprise for them. Or most recently, I made one for my parents' priest. Anyway, they're just fun, something to do. Obviously, you want to hang on to your palm long enough to wave it to welcome Jesus. But there you go. Happy Holy Week.